you go.
Wow. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Come on.
You can do it. Gotta get back up. She's like leaning all her weight on it.
Hey, good girl.
This way, towards Daddy. Woo! Woo!
Oh, good girl. Yay. You were walking all by yourself.
All right, keep going.
She's doing a 3-point turn.
All right, Anna. Come back around. Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo-wee.
Hope you got that on tape. Woo!
Go see mommy. Yay. Yay.
Get it up. All right.
Oh no.
Oop, let's go this way. Keep going. Hold on. There you go. She just tries to stop at everything. Woo! Swing.
Yay! Good girl. Hey. Woo! She's quick.
Oh! You want to come and see Mommy? Yeah, stand it up and come see Mommy. She's in too much of a hurry right now. There's your toy. Yes.
Yeah. Hey. Woo! You wanna come see Daddy? Come see Daddy. Come see Daddy. Yeah. Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. Woo!
Yeah. That's right. She's pushing it from the side, from the back. Okay. Woo! Go ahead. All right. Go, Anna, go.
Woohoo! Uh-oh!
Mommy will help you. Here. Let's straighten it out this way. There you go. There you go.
She's down the dark abyss of the hallway. Good girl!
Oh, Anna.
Good girl! Good baby! You wanna go the other way? Hey, come on, girl. Come see Daddy. Come see Daddy. Come see Daddy. Oh, come see Daddy. Who wants to stand it up? Why don't you stand it up? See if she'll come over here. Oh, come see Daddy. Come over here and see Daddy. Oh.
There you go. Here's your tail. Turn around and walk.
Yeah. Woo! Topsy-turvy.
Woo! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, baby. Can you come see mommy? Come see Mama. Come on. Yay!
Yay!
Woo! All right. Good job. Good job, little girl.
Good girl.
Let's go. You want to go back down the hallway? Go for it. You gotta stand up first. All right. Uh-oh. I'll help you. I'll help you. Let's go. Whoop. There we go. Uh-oh, she's already leaning to the left. We're in trouble.
What does that mean?
Mr. Politician.
No.
No.
Hey! Woo! Get off your car phone. Get off your cell phone. Yeah! Woo! Look at that speedster. All right. Yay! Good girl. Yay, Anna. What? You wanted to make a speech?